I've said my simple morning routine before, but recently I've realized how easy it is to get overwhelmed by all the things we should be doing in the morning. You want to fit in every wellness habit, exercise, yoga, meditation, journaling, a full skincare routine before you start your workday or commute. But honestly, who has time for all that? It feels like morning routine have become so complicated and time consuming that instead of helping, they can actually add more stress. But recently, I found something that has changed how I approach my mornings. It's called the morning routine menu. A morning routine menu is a flexible approach to your morning. Instead of doing the exact same routine every single day, you create a menu of activities and tasks. Each morning, you pick from the list depending on how much time you have and how you feel that day. The goal is to focus on what's important without feeling overwhelmed by trying to fit everything in. It's a gentler way of keeping up with healthy habits while also listening to your body and its needs each day. Maybe one morning you're up for journaling, reading, and practicing mindfulness, but the next day you might prefer doing yoga, Pilates, or meal prepping. It takes away the pressure of doing everything and lets you adapt to what feels right for you. Creating your morning routine menu is simple. Start by listing all the things you'd love to do in the morning. If you're not sure where to begin, get inspired by YouTube or Pinterest. You might end up with a long list, but if you try to fit everything in, your morning could last until lunchtime, so prioritize. Highlight the activities that are most meaningful for your mental, physical, and emotional health. Here are a couple ways to organize your morning routine menu. You can create morning routine based on what's achievable, like your ideal morning routine. The routine includes all your favorite and most productive habits, perfect for mornings when you have extra time and energy. Achievable morning, when you want to fit in healthy habits but need a quicker version. Bare minimum, for those busy or low energy days when you only have time for essentials. Or if you prefer to base your routine on how you're feeling, you could try group your routine by emotions like anxiety, sadness, and joy. Emotion that you want to either soothe or amplify. This way, you have a quick guide to support your mind and body no matter what mood you're in. This flexible approach lets you tailor your mornings to what you truly need, depending on how you feel each day. It helps you take care of your body and mind in a way that works for you, without feeling pressured to stick to the same routine every single day. After figuring out how to create your own morning routine menu, you can really see the benefits of having a flexible, personalized system that adapts to how you're feeling and what you need. It's made mornings feel less like a checklist and more like a choice, which makes all the difference. Now let me show you what my morning routine menu looks like. It's a mix of things I genuinely enjoy doing and activities that help me be the best version of myself. This approach has transformed my mornings because it keeps them stress-free but still productive. Here's what I include. For my morning routine, I like to focus on more than just the essentials. I list 5 things I love to do and 5 things the best version of myself would do. Even if you're not using this for any specific system, a lot of people, including myself, find the morning routine menu a great way to get out of bed. Focusing on just a few self-care activities keep things both productive and enjoyable without feeling overwhelming. Instead of stressing over a long list of things I should do, having a menu allows me to focus on what will boost my mood and energy. And on days when I'm not feeling my best, I feel empowered knowing I have the tools, my morning routine menu, to help set up for a positive, productive day. In addition to my morning routine, I'm currently working on a few mindset shifts that help me feel more balanced and positive. These shifts aren't just about what I do in the morning, they extend throughout my day and significantly impact my overall well-being. healthy habit that's really impacted my life is learning to see things differently. In the past, I was all about being perfect with my tasks, which often left me feeling burned out. Now I try to keep a growth mindset and be open to new ideas. Instead of seeing mistakes as failures, I view them as chances to learn. This shift has made me more productive and helped me feel more balanced and less stressed, especially in the mornings. Another change that's improved my routine is letting go of do it later mindset. I used to put off small tasks thinking I'd get to them eventually, but I realized those little things can add up and feel overwhelming. Having a productive morning routine helps me handle quick tasks right away, like answering emails, tidying up, or crossing off my to-do list. This habit has really helped me stay organized and on track throughout the day. Morning routines don't have to be complicated or stressful to work well. With the morning routine menu, I found a flexible way to keep my habits while adjusting to how I feel each day. You can change your morning routine menu weekly as your needs shift, and it helps to place it somewhere you'll see it first thing in the morning as a reminder. If you've been feeling stuck with your morning routine or want to make it less overwhelming, I highly recommend giving the morning routine menu a try. Or maybe you have any other tips for staying organized? Share your tips in the comment.